everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a Diamond Art Club unboxing of a painting that I have decided will be my May painting. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I decided this is going to be my May painting that I'm going to start in May. As I stated before, I'm trying to do a new painting every month, and I've already decided pretty much up till June, but I couldn't figure out a May painting till I found this one, and I forgot how little this painting is. This painting is called Magnolia Moon by Ranjita Anup. My thousand apologies if I mispronounced that. And it's 22 by 17 inch or 55.8 by 42.6 centimeters. As you can see, it's a wonderful branch of flowers with the wonderful moonlight in the background. And to me, that speaks May a bit. To me, of course. So as you can see, the box is one of their, it's a redesign, but one of their previous ones. As you can see, this box is really, really thick and really large, but I still love this canvas. Box is real sturdy, no problems at all. And on the side, it includes information of the painting as well as a small full picture of the painting. And this painting has 34 colors, which include 2 aurora borealis and 1 fairy dust diamond. And once the canvas is complete, total number of diamonds have placed are 30,248. Big fan of that because I am keeping a count of how many diamonds I've put. As you can see, the wonderful image is wrapped around the box. Big fan of that. And at the bottom of the box is a small photo thumbprint of the image and information of the painting. Really useful because myself, I stack my diamond paintings, so it makes it easier when I want to pick one. That's how I found this one. So let me pull everything out of the box real quick. These redesigned boxes have a little shelf that can be pulled out of the box. Since this is one of the previous design boxes, it is a little thicker and has a little extra insert at the bottom. I'm sorry, at the top. Sorry about that, putting the box aside. They're kind of little separators to hold the toolkit, the label, pamphlets, and everything. So you can just pop it off. As you can see, there's a gap to slide the painting through. Their newer boxes do not include this anymore, and they are a little bit thinner. So if one of these randomly come in your painting, you'll like them. I really like these little extra shelves. So the toolkit, the little thank you pamphlet, and the canvas. And oh, little card, I see you. And we'll go through all of this in a moment. Let me just put this aside real quick. Mostly because I kind of like the box. So let's go through the toolkit first. And since this canvas is a smaller canvas, the toolkit, I'm sorry, apologies, the tray would be a little smaller, which I am trying to get more of these smaller ones so I can do a multi-tray system. So I'm real glad that I got a small tray as well. So it includes your standard little resealable baggies. I love these little baggies a lot. Your redesigned pen, which is a little ergonomically shaped, really good if you're painting for a while, as well as a pen with a little brass tip and is pre-filled with diamondartclub putty. So if you twist the pen a bit, you'll see the putty slowly going up to the tip, as you can see. And if you ever run out, they do include some extra putty. Big fan that they did that. And at the end, they have a multi-placer of 4. And if this multi-placer isn't one of your favorite sizes, you can remove it and add any other type you wish to use. Big fan of that because I love 7. And this is their tray. So the tray, sometimes they include the little smaller pieces. My wonderful favorite 7 multi-placer. Big fan of that. And a pad of their wonderful pink wax. I love this wax. I use it for everything. And I have a lot of it. And this is the tray. As you can see, it is a thicker plastic, and on the side it has the name of the company and the motto, do what makes you sparkle. And the inside is engraved little grooves that really helps keeping the diamonds straight. I really love these trays. That's why I'm trying to get more of them. And once they're already done, there's a little stopper so you can remove, pour the diamonds out, and voila, just put it back put some more diamonds, and you're good to go. The lid is slidable, so you don't have to worry of losing any diamonds once it's already closed. At the bottom, it is engraved, so if you have several of these trays, it makes it easier for you to stack them up. As I said, I'm trying to make a multi-tray system. So let me put everything back in the bag. So I do not want to lose some of these small pieces. Especially you, Mr. Wax. So let me put this aside real quick. And we can look at the little pamphlet. So the little pamphlet includes it's a thank you for your purchase and includes the little label sheet for you for when you want to kit up the painting. And we'll go through that in a moment. The pamphlet just includes instructions if you're new to diamond painting, some tips and tricks, a QR code for their Facebook group, as well as a QR code for the official Diamond Art Club app, which can be installed on both Apple and Android. First time you use the app, for any kind of purchase, 20% is applied to your order. And just for some transparency, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, so you'll see a code appear right around here. It is Rose10, and when a code is used for your first Diamond Art Club purchase, $10 are taken off of your order. And for some extra transparency, small little commission does come to me when that code is used, but do not worry, it always goes back to the channel. So let me put this little pamphlet on the side real quick. And this is the labels. So as you can see, it has the name of the painting as well as the artist and a little sticker adhesive of the little diamond itself. I'm a big fan of that. That's on my desk. And in the middle is all of your labels that correspond to the legend on the canvas. And they are pre-cut and they are an adhesive, as you can see. I really love these labels. And anything with the Z symbol, as you can see, is a fairy dust diamond. Anything before 150 is an AB diamond. So, as I said, this painting has 2 ABs. I love all the colors I'm seeing. I really love these reds. And in the back is a small image of the painting, as well as information of the painting and the end and start date. These are an adhesive as well, and I am a big fan that these are included because I can put them in my physical logbook. Once I complete a painting, I always make sure to put these little images. Big fan of them. And the card, little treasure quest card. So this is the new addition Diamond Art Club has added to their canvases, that a small little, I call them trading cards. They used to be called trading cards, but now they're called treasure quest cards. Has a small little holographic image of the painting as well as information about it. On the other side, it lets you know what kind of card type it is. I'm going to say diamond type. And so this card is a bronze, and what it is there are 4 different types of cards. There's a bronze, a silver, gold, and a black, the black card being the rarest. And depending on the combo cards you have, you can scratch this off and put the codes of the different card types onto the website so you can turn in for gift cards or any other prizes that they offer. And myself, I haven't done that, mostly because I just like collecting the cards. And it has been stated that it is not 100% guaranteed that every canvas is going to have a card. So, but it's all right. These cards are so nice. I really like them. Oh, that is so pretty. A big fan of that. So let me put a side of these real quick. And this is the canvas. So the canvases are always packed in these really wonderful dustproof bags, which can be opened in a little section where it has a little bit of glue. So let me just remove this off the canvas real quick. And the diamonds are rolled up in the canvas as well. So we'll see that in a moment. Diamond Art Club canvases are really nice and soft, as you can hear. Really nice and velvety with some extra plastic. And the edges are scalloped and poked, as you can see. It's to help the edges from fraying. And to me, I think it's a nice little decorative touch to it. So let's see if this wonderful canvas fits in my desk. Oh, it is a lot smaller than I thought. I've been saying that a lot for my canvases. They all surprise me when I open them. So these are the diamonds. We'll go through them in a moment. I'm going to roll it the opposite way so it can lay down a lot more flat for us, and you can see the wonderful image of the canvas. So, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It has a lot of dark tones, and I knew that, for it is called Magnolia Moon, so it makes sense that it's at night. I love this image. It's so beautiful in person. I really like this. And I said it's a lot smaller than I thought. Woo, big fan of this. So on the top of the canvas, it includes the name of the company and the motto, "Do what makes you sparkle." On the top left corner, on the lower right corner, right top left, yes, it's a full listing of the legend showing all 34 colors. Big fan of that because I do spin my canvases around while I'm painting. And at the bottom right corner, information about their customer service. So if there's any issues with the diamonds, any issues with the canvas, you can get in touch with them and they'll assist you in correcting the issue. I really like the customer service. Really informative, really quick. And Diamond Art canvases do have a lifetime warranty. And the middle of the bottom of the canvas, information about their social media and 10% discount code for your next order for your canvas you wish to purchase. And on the lower left corner is a small thumbprint and information about the painting. I really love that little thumbprint. And as you can see, there's a nice little sturdy plastic covering the canvas, as you'll hear. And the stick on this, ooh, I super lost a fingerprint. It's always really nice and strong. The plastic, as you can probably see, has little preparations in it. So you can see this little light line here. And what it allows you is to cut off sections of the plastic without having to physically cut with scissors. So as you can hear, you can't tear it. Myself, I love that was included, for I do use the perforations. And as you can see, the edges usually have a smaller part. The inner sections of the plastic are squares. So to my understanding, they're around 4 by 4 inch, which I've kind of gotten used to because their release paper is the same size. So I really love just sectioning off, having to tear it. Don't have to worry about the washi tape method because I am not good at using that. And this is such a beautiful canvas. I keep looking at it. I cannot wait to work on this one. And these are the diamonds. So Diamond Art Club includes the name of the painting on the packet of diamonds. So if you store your diamonds and your painting in 2 different locations, do not worry. They'll always come back together. So let's look at the diamonds. Apologies for the crinkly noise. We're looking at diamonds, y'all. So I really hope a majority of it is 310. It's my favorite, one of my favorite colors. Honestly, I love 310s from Diamond Art Club. As you can see, this wonderful, beautiful cinnamon roll. Oh my goodness, there is a lot of dark tones, but I love that bright green that just comes out of nowhere. Big fan of that. Ooh, I love all these tones. And this little random one that just kind of flew out. So just caution, sometimes there are some packets that are not connected to the strip, just mostly to save space when they're being packed. So always keep an eye out just in case one little separate packet decides to make a runaway. I always say that because I've lost one before. So this first color is 318. I love this little nice dark gray. And for the first strip, it is our first fairy dust, the 3865, which is that wonderful white color. You can see a nice little glitter effect. Fairy dust has a nice little mica powder to it, so that's why it has such a subtle shine to it. Big fan of that. Symbol for this one is our wonderful white background with a black dot. Anything with white has this wonderful fairy dust. So anything here on the flowers, it's all on the moon. I am so happy about that. Ooh, apologies for the traffic. As well on the reflection on the water and the little random stars in the sky. I love that it's all fairy dust. Ooh, it's going to add some nice sparkle. Our next color is 2 packets of 3371, 1 packet of 317, 838, 415, 2 packets of those. The strip is still stuck. Oh, our lovely 310. Oh, it's only 1 packet. I thought it might have a lot more. I wonder how many 939 are in this one. Ooh, really love this color. Next color is 762, 413, 917. 3805, 666. I love this red color. 844, 3834, 321, and 3041. Ooh, I really love these dark tones. And for the second strip. Oh, this painting only has 2 strips. I thought it might have been 3. Let me find the end here real quick. It's 2 packets of 414, 907, 600, 603, 124 is our first AB. And as you can see, it has a nice little prismatic effect on the diamond. That's the difference between ABs and fairy dust. ABs have a little bit more pop to the sparkle. That's the best wording I can think of. And I love ABs. I'm a big fan of them. And the symbol for this wonderful color is the number 1. So a majority of it is in the light pink sections of the flowers. So there's some here, a little bit in reflection in the water, as well as some in these flowers as well. It's kind of sporadic. They're kind of all over the place. Big fan of that. There's a lot of AB everywhere. Next color is 718, 3837, 327, 3608, 891, 159, 963, 134 is our second AB, and it's a wonderful green, as you can see. And the symbol for this one is the number 2. And this wonderful green is really small amount, as you can see. So it's usually in smaller areas. It's some here in reflection in the water, as well as here, and a little bit in this little leaf here, and this little section here. Oh, also over here. So I said, it's little small areas, this section here as well. I love this, just little random pops of the wonderful EB. Big fan of that. 37.99, 209, 498, 155, and 38.36. Oh my goodness, I love this canvas, and I love these colors, and I love the random purple that's put in the reflection. So this wonderful canvas is small, and it does fit on my desk really well. I'll pull it down a bit so you can see it a little more fully. And you can see the wonderful moon and the wonderful flowers. Oh my goodness, I love this canvas. I'm going to say it a whole bunch of times. And I can already see it on my wall. So I chose this one for May because, as I said, for some reason, it just makes me think of nights during May. I have no idea why. I think it's the flowers. It's the real subtle, relaxing setting. So I chose this one as my May painting. So stay tuned for a kit up once we're getting close to May. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter how much it's in the moonlight. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.